Hello friends and welcome back to your favorite channel Upcoming Updates. Today we are going to talk about one of the most popular and affordable commercial vehicles in Pakistan, the Suzuki Ravi pickup. This vehicle has been the backbone of small businesses and daily transport for decades. Whether you are a shopkeeper, a delivery service provider, or someone who needs a reliable pickup for carrying goods, the Suzuki Ravi has always been a trusted name. In this video we will take a closer look at its exterior, performance, and also give you a short review of its interior. So let's get started. Starting with the exterior, the Suzuki Ravi pickup is designed with simplicity and utility in mind. It is not about luxury or fancy curves. It is purely made to serve the purpose of load carrying. The front fascia features a very basic design with a small grille in the center and rectangular headlights on either side. The bumper is minimal and functional, made to absorb small impacts in urban traffic. The body of the Ravi is boxy, which makes it easier to maximize loading space at the rear. The rear cargo bed is flat and open, allowing easy loading and unloading of goods. The build quality is kept simple with no unnecessary styling, and the steel body is strong enough to handle tough usage in daily business operations. The ground clearance is decent, allowing it to drive on uneven roads without much difficulty. It is compact enough to pass through narrow streets, which is one of the biggest reasons for its popularity in urban as well as rural areas. Now moving to the performance review, the Suzuki Ravi pickup comes with a small yet efficient engine. Traditionally, it has been powered by a 796cc 3-cylinder engine that produces modest power but is sufficient for its purpose. The focus here is not on speed or acceleration, but on reliability, fuel efficiency, and load carrying capability. The engine is paired with a manual transmission that gives the driver full control, especially when driving with heavy loads. Its suspension is kept stiff to manage cargo weight, and while the ride may feel a bit rough when driving without load, it performs well when fully loaded. The Ravi is not a high-speed highway performer, but in city traffic and short-distance hauling, it is dependable and economical. Fuel economy is one of its strongest points, making it cost-effective for small businesses. The pickup can carry a decent payload, usually around 600 to 700 kilograms, which is good enough for most commercial needs in its segment. The maintenance is also very affordable, with spare parts easily available all across the country. This keeps the running cost extremely low, which is exactly what buyers in this category want. Talking about the driving experience, the Ravi is easy to maneuver due to its compact size and lightweight body. Turning radius is small, making it convenient for tight turns in crowded streets. However, one must remember that this is not a comfort-oriented vehicle. It is a utility machine. The focus is durability, not refinement. Now let's give a short review of the interior. Inside the cabin, things are kept very simple. The dashboard is minimal with only the necessary controls like basic AC or ventilation, a simple speedometer, and a few switches. Seating is made of fabric or vinyl, designed to be durable rather than comfortable. There is space for 2 passengers including the driver. Storage inside the cabin is limited, but then again, this vehicle is not meant for luxury or family travel. The visibility is good thanks to large windows and a straightforward design, which helps the driver when maneuvering in busy streets or while loading and unloading. Sound insulation is not very strong, so engine and road noise do enter the cabin, but most owners accept this as part of its rugged nature. In conclusion, the Suzuki Ravi pickup is a practical, affordable, and durable vehicle that serves as a backbone for small businesses and commercial needs. Its simple exterior, reliable performance, and low-cost maintenance make it the go-to choice for those who want a no-nonsense utility pickup. While it lacks luxury, speed, and modern features, it delivers exactly what its buyers need: dependability and efficiency. That is why even after so many years, the Ravi pickup still holds a strong presence in the market. That's all for today's review on the Suzuki Ravi pickup. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Upcoming Updates for more reviews and automotive updates.